Hello, and thank you for watching 2carpros.com. In this video, we are going to show you how to replace the radiator fan in a 2002 Chevy Tahoe. Let's start with opening the hood and removing the air inlet hose from the air filter box. Loosen the two hose clamps on the air inlet hose. Remove the two bolts to the radiator shroud, allowing you to remove it from the core support. With a large crescent wrench and rubber mallet, remove it from the water pump. Remove the fan and replace it with your new one. Reverse the steps that we have showed you to finish your repair. Thank you for watching 2carpros.com.